Hello, it's Lyndon and welcome to my channel. It's so nice to see you, and thank you everybody that's shown support with your lovely positive comments and people buying me a coffee. It's absolutely fantastic. Today I want to have a look at low notes on the saxophone. So specifically we're going to be looking at low C, low C sharp or D flat, low B and low B flat. And what I found is that sometimes these notes get neglected, which is a little bit crazy really, because it's like going round to somebody's house and saying, "You've got a beautiful basement," and they go, "Oh yeah, no, we don't go down there." And it's, well, why not? "Oh, because the bulb's broken and there's a bit of a spider's web near the door." It's like, are you crazy? You've got a massive, great big room down there. It's beautiful. You could turn it into a gym or a home cinema. Yeah, we don't go down there. Play the low notes. If you're not playing the low notes on the saxophone, you're missing out on a big section of notes on your instrument. It's really, really important to do. It will also help with your tone throughout the range of the instrument. If you can get the low notes, then the mid-range notes, the lower mid-range notes, will be much easier. And it will also have a positive effect on all of the notes that you play throughout the instrument, because it's going to develop your embouchure more. Whenever you're playing low notes on the saxophone, what I suggest that you do is think about dropping your lip down, or your jaw, opening up your jaw a little bit more. Just drop it down like this. The other thing that you can do is to open your throat. So you know when you're going to yawn, right, and you just your throat really opens. Try opening your throat when you're playing these low notes, and it will make it much easier to do. So these are the low notes on the tenor sax, and the first note that we're going to look at is C. So that's 3 fingers on the top and 3 fingers on the bottom, with your little finger on the bottom there. That should sound like this. Then the next note that we're going to look at is actually a semitone above that, and that's going to be on this outside flappy paddle here. And it's exactly the same with the right hand, but adding that one on. So, and that is C sharp or D flat. And the next note that we're going to look at is moving your left hand little finger onto the inside flappy paddle here. So you've got these 4 keys, it's the inside one here, and leaving the right hand where it is on low C, and left hand goes inside. And then the last low note is going to be this bottom key here, and right hand still on low C and left hand on that bottom key there. And you can see that you've got these black rollers between the keys, and that is to assist your fingers moving from one position to another and cutting down the friction. So these rollers assist your finger moving from C to E flat here. And it's the same, you've got rollers to move up and to the side. With that last note, that B flat, if you ever find yourself on a boat and it's foggy, make your way to the front of the boat. The captain will be looking out going, "Is that low B flat?" Absolutely fantastic, because yes, it does sound like a foghorn. Okay, so those are the low notes on the saxophone. I do hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe and like and share. Put these videos about. Have a look at all of the other content that I've put on in my channel. You've got major scales and minor scales and patterns and how to improvise. There's loads of good stuff there. I do hope you found it useful. Thanks again for all of your lovely comments and your support, and people that have bought us coffees and tipped us and everything. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.